The experience started out with a roof leak. I had a skylight that leaked. Water came inside my house, not terribly so, but enough. Guardian came out and made a very calculated approach. They came out and said, let's do the skylight first. And then if it continues to leak, let's do the flashing, which would save me several $1,000s. At the same time, Guardian saw a skylight that was right close to it of the same make. And they determined both were inferior skylights, which I'm not surprised. They helped me navigate the request of the insurance company, so I was able to get both repaired. Based on that experience, I had the salesperson also check into replacing gutters, and he did a fantastic job. And luckily, 2 days later, we got a good rainstorm, and my gutters, they ran perfectly. They had the right incline, and they saved me money. They suggested I not do the downspouts because my downspouts were fine. So I was very happy with Guardian, and I would very much recommend Guardian, and in fact have recommended Guardian to family members.